guys, Ethanicus here, and welcome back to the next world, guys. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys one of my most prized possessions. You guys may be wondering, Ethanicus, what is it? Well, guys, why don't you take a look for yourself? Okay. In preparation for Star Wars The Clone Wars Season 7, I went ahead and made a Clone Wars Diorama from Battleground scene. There's some custom characters, Easter eggs, and so much more. I'm going to be showing you guys a full run through what it took me to make this, all the stuff that I got. So yeah, it's going to be pretty cool, guys. Alright, let's get into it. Alright guys, we are going to be starting off with the left side on the Republic. Starting off, we do have some Mandalorians fighting, trying to kill those Separatist droids. You can see Anakin's pod racer, or not pod racer, Starfighter, as well as R2-D2 hanging in there. You have a little communication tower, and on the ship, or at least close to it, you have a clone engineer working on the ship because they got some malfunctions in the little blasters. All right, so now we have some really nice clone troopers. I do have quite a bunch of them. The two different clone troopers, or we actually have four different clone. We have a lot of clone troopers. So starting it off, we do have a Phase 2 clone trooper, normal. Then we have a, I believe, Attack of the Clones clone trooper, right there. Then to your right, you will find a Clone Wars clone trooper, right there. So yeah, a lot of different types, as well as a cool Phase 1 ARC trooper right there. Again, the Mandalorians are holding their high ground, as everyone would say that, since they're on their, whatever you call this thing, speeder, I guess. So we do have another Mandalorian right here. We have some dead clone troopers. We have a cool no class ARC trooper, Phase 1. We have a clone medic right here, helping him with that guy. Again, no shooting at the things, or droids, not things. Then you have this clone trooper. I believe this is the Clone Wars clone trooper, picking up another blaster, and then you also have a medic. Going to the middle of the scene, you do see two clone troopers on the side, trying to get those droids. There's the Mandalorian again. So yeah, that's the middle. A nice little wall for protection with holes in it, of course, so the droids did shoot through. Then you also do have the one, the only, the Captain Rex. I could not make this diorama without putting him in, so he just took out the whole thing of battle droids, the whole fleet. There's another no-class ARC trooper commander who just shot two battle droids' head. It is pretty sick. This is a custom flame trooper that I created, attacking at the spider droid, which has Anakin attacking that. To our right, we can see a turret, which is manned by a battle droid, which the clones are about to push on that. And you have a clone with two guns. Okay, this is pretty interesting. Okay, so can y'all guess? Guys, pause the video, go to the comment section, and guess who these two clones got their heads shot off by. I'm gonna say shot off, not cut off, as well as twisted clone, I believe. I think that's a sergeant? No, sergeants are green. I don't know. I think that's a captain. Can y'all guess it? Alright, are y'all done? Okay, it is Cad Bane, bounty hunter, hired by the leader, which I'll show in a minute. Again, the spider droid. Okay, this is a pretty cool Easter egg. You do have the Lego marshmallow smashing a Lego battle droid. It's pretty cool. Battle droid behind the spider droid. A super battle droid, that's pretty sick, I have to admit. That's awesome. Then we have the battle droid's leader, a Gungan. Alright, so the Gungans put war on the clones, or the Republic, and he's decided to cooperate with the Separatists. This is also another iconic scene from actually the first episode, or movie you would say, where the clone trooper loses his gun, or drops it, punches a droid, breaks his hand, and then gets shot. But I just wanted to really show this just to show how awesome the Clone Wars was back then, and it still is. So yeah, we're gonna move on. To the very right, we can see and we can see Ahsoka. We can see some normal clone troopers, or not clone troopers, battle droids again. You may be wondering, why is Ahsoka way back here? He or she is with the 501st. These are all custom made by me, actually. It's pretty sick. I have to admit, I did a really good job on these. I'm really proud. And this is a custom Ahsoka that we bought. It's really, really sick. I really love the Ahsoka. They did a great job on that. Then we have more battle droids, and she is about to stab this one right here. 501st did lose one loss, but better than General Krell leading it, right? Alright guys, so that is basically all the details you will need to know on the Clone Wars diorama. You guys can see a little run through of it right now.